Good afternoon. This is Nick Mosley, UTC ID KHY111. This is going to be problem number 5, third question on the midterm here. Um, Premise for this is to write a function called dict underscore invert that takes in a dictionary with immutable values and returns the inverse of the dictionary. The inverse of the dictionary, D, is another dictionary whose keys are the unique dictionary values in D. The value for a key in the inverse dictionary is going to be a sorted list of all keys in D that have the same value in D. And then there were some examples given, some testers here that we'll run through here. But essentially the crux of it here, so D and then the dictionary, so the key and then the element, I'm going to return an inverted dictionary according to the instructions above that we just read off here. So essentially what we did here, we set up a empty dictionary set, labeled it as inverted. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through 2 for loops, one to set the inversion process, and then another one for them to be sorted here, which will come into play on these 2 testers down here. Not at all on this one, since they're all unique number sets here. And essentially what we're going to do, we defined this, we'll set a dictionary, and then we're going to call the dictionary inversion here. So we'll set the empty dictionary sets, and then they'll look for I and the keys here. And then so essentially what it would do, I and the keys, so it would start with the 1 on this list, of course, we go left to right, and it'll go here. And then so if it's an inverted, what it would do, it would set this to the actual list, or excuse me, to the element in the dictionary is what this does. I mean, if I took me a little bit because I had put brackets there for a minute, and that had messed with it here, of course. But yeah, essentially append it to the to be the element instead of the actual key there. And then this is going to set the well, in this case, the element to the key. And so what that does is the element in the key will be set to the key. And then so it'll keep going through this. So 1 will become 10, or excuse me, the key 1 will become the element, and then the element 10 would become the 1. And then this here is just going to sort it, so in numerical value. So we'll run this here, and then yeah, so you can see 10 becomes the key, 1 becomes the element, same deal. So 20 key to element, 30 key, 3 element. And then so just to run through this other tester here, see a little bit more of how this works with, since we've got 2 of the same elements, it'll throw um, the 3 and the 4 into the same key in this dictionary. So yeah, 10, obviously still be the same one. 20 is a unique key with a unique element. And then, excuse me, these 2, the 30, it'll just be set as one unique key with these 2 value sets input, 3 and the 4 into one dictionary here, or excuse me, into one list there. But yeah, so there's that. And then similar with like the Boolean values, not sure how to pronounce that. But yeah, so it would set it as a single list as true, and then since it is sorted, um, excuse me, and we saw it in the last one, 3 and 4. I didn't mention that, but the val sort is going to go, so this function here, or this part of the function, this for loop, is going to go through the values in here, and make sure that they're sorted. And then return inverted is just going to be that dictionary set that we created. And so, we've got the dictionary here, and then the key, which will be true, and then these different values, and then they're in reverse order. So they're coming in 0 to 4, which will be in a sorted list. And so that is problem 3. Have a great day. Oh.